Hi everyone, back again. We're on the bike this week, so I'm just going to show you a few bits around it. I know a few people have been asking, so I'm just going to try and let you know a few bits I've done to it. So the colour is from a Lotus Elise orange. It's got a flick in it, so when the sun does hit, it's quite hard to see on the phone, show you through the camera and that. So yeah, so it was done from a Lotus Elise. I think it's 3 stages that were done to get the paint. I've added the stickers just to keep it sort of basic. Changed the tank on the top, painted that black whereas that was silver before. Tank protector, put that on, done that in black as well. And then all this was silver and grey, and now I've changed that to black. And then obviously add all the undercarriage and all the little side bits done as well, all exactly the same colour. So this under here was all in black before, but now it's all orange, and then kept it through there. And then obviously the exhausts, the Leo Vince exhausts, they were already on there when I had it, but I left them on because I did like the sound of it. These were silver. I've had them changed, so changed them to black. I've also changed the mirrors. Instead of the big ugly mirrors that usually come on here and stick up, so I've changed them, so obviously they're a lot smarter. And then we've had the quad lock, which I've shown in the previous video, which is still going strong, hasn't moved at all. And then I have changed the indicators. They had big indicators on before, so I've changed those to the little LEDs, so they go across. So this is the indicators that I've had, and I changed. They were the normal big ones before, and I quite like the look of these, so I sort of changed them over. It's got the different levers on. Also got the screen. The screen, I didn't want to pay too expensive, so I thought I'd take a gamble and get one from Wish. And to be fair, it's really good. It's bolted straight on, which I was quite surprised about. I thought, oh, maybe it's not gonna, but it did. I've also uprated the lights, just changed the bulbs basically, just put uprated ones so they're a lot brighter, and they do make a massive difference. They weren't a lot to buy either, so that was good. And yeah, so basically it's just bits and pieces I've just done. Like I say, same on this side, changed all the black, put it all black. It was silver and grey before. I did try to get some brackets for them to change these, but they're a little bit hard to get hold of. I did try some, but they didn't really work that well. But yeah, and I've done all that. And then we've got the rear light, rear LED light, smoked. Really like that. It was the best thing I sort of bought for it. I think it come out really well, and it sort of matched with the paintwork. So yeah, I was really happy with that.
that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.